Alright, so today we're going to be showing you how to fix this here door trim. As you can see, this one's pretty messed up. The bottom of it cracked there. So we're going to open this up so we can show you. So it's held on by like 3M double-sided tape. Alright, so we're just going to yank it off because it's already messed up. As you can see, there's that tape in the back. Love it. You're just going to want to pry that off. It broke again, so just have this bottom piece here. You can use like a trim tool or a flathead screwdriver just to get behind there. You can also see there's like a little, like a lip that fits right there. There's like a fitting for it so that it can sit in there. There's just the last little piece from the bottom. He's just going to pry that off. So then you're going to want to get this 3M tape off of this adhesive, so you can kind of just peel it up with your thumb, and then whatever you can't get, you can probably get with like Goo Gone or a razor blade. So now this is the bare panel. We took everything out of here. There's like tabs in here and then down here, and we took all that off. You just use your thumb, you can just scrape it off, and then there's a little bit left over, so we're going to use Goo Gone, and then we're going to use alcohol to wipe it all down just so it sticks, because the adhesive is on the piece itself. So there's the Goo Gone. So you're just going to want to spray that on there, use pretty much, let it soak in a little bit, and then wipe it off, and it'll take everything off of there. And it'll clean it up pretty good before we hit it with the alcohol. Now that that's all cleaned off with the Goo Gone, you can see there's really nothing on there. There's just a couple little scratches. We're going to hit with alcohol, and then we're going to go ahead and put on the new piece. Alright, so we just have some basic rubbing alcohol. He's going to go ahead and use paper towel and just wipe it down. Alright, so we have our new trim piece here. As you can see, all the stuff's on there. You have your 3M tape, so you're just going to want to go ahead and stick that on. So we're going to peel this off, go ahead and get it ready to put on, and there's like guide tabs that'll help you get it in the right spot so it's not crooked or anything. So you want to go ahead and line those up. I'll show that. There's like a tab that you put it in. So you can hear it kind of snapped into place. There's the same thing on the bottom. I don't know if this is going to focus, hopefully it will. But you can see that bolt right there. That is holding in the trim. You can see it's right there like the rubber seal. So you're going to have to take that off to make sure that this slides the whole way back in. And then once you get that in, you can push this in and put that bolt back in. Kit. There's like a, it's like a hex store bit. You can get that in the kit. What size? They're all mixed up. Yeah. But I'm just going to put that back in, you can see. And then that holds your, like your door seal or your rubber trim. Alright, so that trim is completely replaced. That is a new piece. The old piece was broken right about here. So that's just how to fix that. It's like a 5-minute job. It's not too bad. And it makes it look a lot better. We just showed what was broken on ours, but if this side's broken, you can see most of these have like the door code on it. But if that's broken, what you have to do is there is like a little tab. You can kind of see it right there, I think it is. And you got to pop that off so that you can take the whole door card off. And then you said there's a couple bolts or what?
There's 2 bolts in the bottom.
There's 2 bolts in the bottom. Yeah, you can see right here and right here. So you have to take those off, and then you can take this whole door piece off.
Oh, door trim too, it'd be nice to use.
Then there's a trim prior, and then you can take this off and replace this because it has like the panel on the front. So obviously if you're going to break something, you want to break the other side because it's a little bit cheaper, I'm sure, too.